Today, I'll walk you through how to check longitude and latitude on Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to find coordinates so you can easily navigate and share locations with others. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the homepage, look for the app's icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find various Google services. Now from this menu, select Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can explore the world from the comfort of your screen. It's like having a global map at your fingertips. Once you're in Google Maps, think of it as a treasure map. To find the exact location you're interested in, right-click on that specific place on the map. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. Next, look for the coordinates displayed in the menu. You should see the latitude and longitude listed there. To verify these coordinates, simply click on them. This will open a small pop-up that confirms the exact location you've selected. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Just follow along and you'll be able to find those coordinates in no time. To recap, we opened Google, selected Maps, right-clicked on our desired location, and then accessed the coordinates from the menu. With these simple steps, you can easily check longitude and latitude on Google Maps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.